Here's how to use HeyGen Free to create your own AI digital twin using just one basic webcam recording of only 15 seconds. Then change your avatar's clothes with a simple prompt and get it to say anything in any environment with just a few clicks. I promise that after this video, you'll see just how easy it is to make your own AI digital twin in minutes.
To get started with HeyGen for free, use the link in the pinned comment or description below for seasonal discounts. Then just sign up using your Google account. Now I've created a fresh free account for the purposes of this tutorial. Once you're inside the dashboard, come over to Avatar, then click Avatars. Then we're going to go to My Avatar and clone a real person. Now this is where we record our 15-second video, which will form the basis of your AI avatar content. I could use a professional camera like I am now, but to show how easy it is for you to do, I'm going to change to my webcam now. Now, as you can see, this is a pretty standard look. I've got light coming from the window behind and no fancy lights in the background, so you could use this kind of setup. In a moment, when I hit record, you'll see a script come up on the screen which will read to form the recording, along with a code at the end which will be used to authenticate the recording. So let's hit this. Here's a quick do's and don'ts of what to do when you're recording, and so let's go for it. Looking good in the background, and hey there, I'm speaking with lots of energy while staying natural and confident. This helps HeyGen capture my voice, my expressions, and my motion, so my avatar can behave just like me in any video. For safety purposes, my unique code is 22, and that's it. So hit done recording. Oop, got kicked off that camera, back to this one now. Next step is to name your avatar, then hit create. Now we just wait for that to process. And in the meantime, once your AI avatar content factory is up and running, I'd strongly recommend adding professional overlay footage to keep your AI avatar videos more dynamic. And if you want great stock footage, but also want some smart AI tools built into the workflow, Storyblocks is a really solid option. Their library gives you unlimited downloads and access to over 6 million assets. And importantly, the content itself is human-made, not synthetic AI clips. So you'll be working with real content created by real people. Then on top of that, their updated AI toolkit helps you move faster inside the creative process. You can use AI voiceover powered by 11 Labs to generate narration fast, clone your own voice, or transfer an existing recording. And their AI video editing tool powered by Runway lets you relight scenes, recolor objects to match your brand, or remove unwanted objects with a simple written prompt. To start telling better stories with the tools I use, head to storyblocks.com/Tim Harris, and they're offering 15% off any annual plan for a limited time, and that discount is only available through my link. Thanks to Storyblocks for sponsoring this video. Okay, avatar complete. Now let's see how it's modeled my voice.
Hi, I'm excited you're here. This is your voice clone preview. Take a quick listen.
Okay, it doesn't sound too bad. Now I've got a few tricks later on to show you how to improve this even more. So for now, I'll click use this voice, and now the avatar is going to be ready to work with. And we get sent straight to the HeyGen AI Studio, which includes the AI agent, which is in beta at the moment. So we've got our now AI avatar, which is ready to go. We'll put our script in here shortly, but first I want to play around with the voice. Come down to avatar, then click on voice here. Now we've got this tool called improve this voice. So this is actually the AI voice doctor. So what it's going to do is it's going to play out this script here, and it's going to give us a few options of which one sounds more like me. So we'll preview the voice.
Hi, I'm excited you're here. This is a preview of the voice for your character. Take a quick listen.
It sounds pretty good, but I'm going to select doesn't sound like me. Here are those three options. Let's play them out.
Hi, I'm excited you're here. This is a preview of the voice for your character. Take a quick listen.
That sounds pretty good so far. Obviously it's winning.
Hi, I'm excited you're here. This is a preview of the voice.
That's definitely not right.
Hi, I'm excited you're here. This is a preview of the voice for your character. Take a quick listen.
Okay, that sounds a lot better than the second one, but the first one's definitely the winner. So I'm going to select that one and press save and replace. Okay, you'll note that in the engine here, it's changed it from auto to fish. So the fish engine is the one that suits me best. Okay, now that's in place, the next thing is to paste the script in. Now let's play that out and see how it sounds with that voice tune.
Here's how to use HeyGen Free to create your own AI digital twin using just one basic webcam recording of only 15 seconds.
Okay, that sounds like me, so I'm pretty happy with that. But there's one last trick I can do to make it sound even better, and it's called mirror voice. So what mirror voice does is it records me speaking that script in the pace that I want, but it won't actually use that recording in the actual final video. It will just remember the pacing and use the voice print that it's already got to create the actual audio in the video. Let me show you what I mean. So I'll click mirror voice and then hit record and speak the content. Here's how to use HeyGen Free to create your own AI digital twin using just one basic webcam recording of only 15 seconds. Then change your avatar's clothes with a simple prompt and get it to say anything in any environment with just a few clicks. I promise that after this video, you'll see just how easy it is to make your own AI digital twin in minutes. Okay, that's the pacing done. Here's that raw recording. Here's how to use HeyGen Free to create your own AI digital twin. Very tinny, you can hear, but I'm going to apply the style to the recording, and once it's done transcribing, we can play it out in just a few seconds. Let's play that now.
Here's how to use HeyGen Free to create your own AI digital twin using just one basic webcam recording of only 15 seconds. Then change your avatar's clothes with a simple prompt.
Absolutely perfect. So that is now complete. That for me is the most important thing, is getting the sound right. I'm ready to go, so I'm going to hit generate, give it a quick title. Real quick, you can see there will be a watermark in this video, and if I want to turn that off, it's going to prompt me to go to upgrade the account, but I don't want to do that at the moment. So let's come back to generate, and it's also restricted to 720p video quality. You need to pay extra for the 1080, but 720 is absolutely fine for social media content. Right, I'll hit submit and wait for that to finish. We'll come back in just a second. Okay, that original look is ready to go. Let's play it out.
Here's how to use HeyGen Free to create your own AI digital twin using just one basic webcam recording of only 15 seconds.
Okay, that looks amazing. Really good mannerisms, and you be the judge, but I'm going to give it about a 9.5 out of 10 for how well it sounds like me. I wanted to point out one other thing you can do to make your AI avatars look even more believable. Come into this section, hover over here, select eye contact correction, and send it off for processing. Now I'm going to show you how easy it is to create different looks using that digital twin model. So just come to new revision in AI Studio, and we'll come back to that original project. Now I want to change the avatar look. Come down to avatar, select replace avatar. What we're going to do is come to add a look design with AI. So you have all these options for picking up one of these templates as inspiration for a new look, and we'll come to that next, but let's create a custom look by just pasting in a prompt of professional keynote atmosphere, professionally lit, minimal background, wearing a grey sports jacket. Let's change the aspect ratio to match this one. Click generate, click view, we'll wait for those to generate and choose the best one. Great, the three looks are made. This one's looking the most believable, so let's select that one. And there it is in the widescreen. The jacket looks pretty cool. There I am holding the microphone. We've got some people in the background, so it'll be very interesting to see how it animates those when I actually generate the whole scene. Let's make that look too, hit submit, and away we go. All right, the keynote speech is ready. Let's play it out.
Here's how to use HeyGen Free to create your own AI digital twin using just one basic webcam.
People are moving nicely in the background.
Seconds. Then change your avatar.
Really happy with that result. Fantastic. And that's just from a webcam recording. Now I want to create a third look, so come into new revision in AI Studio, and we're going to select one of those templates we saw earlier. Once again, come to avatar, replace avatar, add look, design with AI. Let's scroll down and choose, say, this look here. Ensure we're still on 16:9. Select that look, remix it, and then come to the view, and we'll come back when that's loaded. Okay, I'll just mute this. We've already seen this creation at the start of the video, and it's really nice in this lighting. Fantastic job. Before this video, creating your AI digital twin may have felt daunting, but with today's tech, even a simple 15-second webcam recording can get you up and running. Now that your AI digital twin is ready to say anything in any look, you're ready to build your brand and authority with it. Remember to use the link below to grab the current seasonal discounts. With a free account, you get 3 videos of up to 3 minutes each per month. So if you were to create a few free accounts, that becomes around 10. But I do recommend upgrading to the creator plan for more features and unlimited videos up to 30 minutes long. Watch this video next to see how to use HeyGen Free to create non-digital twin AI talking avatars. Also subscribe to the channel for more AI updates just like this. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you there.